Hey, we're Matt and Debbie. This is Rolling with the Curves. Rumor is that our camper misses us, so we're on our way up the mountain today to go check it out.
Yay!
Yeah, it's all tucked away and winterized. Thank you to everyone that subscribed and followed us. We really appreciate your support. If you drop us some comments, tell us what you like, don't like, we'd appreciate that too. I'm not going to record up the hill so people can't hear me huffing and puffing. Winter's been hard already. They locked the gates October 31st. This is our second hike since then. Hocking Hills was last week. Now we start the tough part. It doesn't look like much, but it is. Speed limit's 10. I don't think there's any problem holding to that today. It's a beautiful day.
This is part of me Grizzly's every Friday morning walk down to the ponds, the hill.
Yep.
It's fun.
Yeah. While I'm working. We just pulled a trick where we pretended to take a selfie so we could catch our breath. Thank you, Debbie.
It's a little warm. Put this jacket on.
Yeah. We don't dress for the weather.
I just hate to be cold. So
Debbie's
I
layered with a
overdress.
puffer. I have a hoodie with a puffer. It's going to be in the mid-50s today, so we'll be sweating here in a little bit. We're almost there. We're site 105. Get our shadows next to each other. That's always cool. Only Grizzly would play nice about that.
He's like, I missed it here. Why did you take this away from me? Our Thursday through Sunday spot.
Yeah. Taking care of business.
This side looks like it's totally covered in leaves.
It does. Hey, buddy. Come on. Grizzly, come. Come on. Good boy. Smile. The view I never get tired of. Keeping the fire going the old-fashioned way. Everything's wet. We're getting the fire going, so we're warm, Grizz. This will work until the battery goes dead about 2 months from now. Yeah, no, it's a DeWalt. It lasts a long time. We'll just carry a battery up from home and bring this one back to charge and swap them out. I already have a plan. Yeah, that's me, the man with the plan. Finally, the fire takes off. We'll do that weird thing. I crossed my feet and I put the fire out. What do you want, Grizzly? Oh, does he smell the peanut butter in there?
I think so.
Or did you bring him TREATS?
I think it's the first one because he keeps looking at it.
He can't have my PB&J sandwich.
What do we have in here for Grizzly? Nothing.
Let's take a walk around the camper, see how it held up for winter so far. Grizzly's paw prints. Everything looks good inside. Ship cargo bay. Put our blower away. Everything looks good in here. There's my slide skis. And put those in spring before we go anywhere. That's locked. They're back from their walk. The old John Deere's sitting there up. So I gotta tip the seat for them. Everything looks good back there. Okay. Ready for me to lock it up? Almost, though. Look at it.
Yeah, it's not.
Hey, if you like this video or any of our other videos, take a minute and hit that subscribe button. And YouTube. Yep. Like it. And leave us a comment, too.
We'd love to hear from you.
Yeah, we'd love to hear from you. How many of you out there seasonal camp? How many of you have campgrounds that lock gates? I mean, we have to walk up to ours. It's about a mile.
We can still come visit anytime.
Yeah,
now.
we can visit anytime, but it's locked up. We can't move it now for the rest of the winter.